A scramble to do the best trade. This time of the year, passenger taxis and even motorbikes trickle into Uganda's capital with one commodity, grasshoppers. And trading is fiercely competitive. The bigger sacks of grasshoppers are most desirable at this downtown market in Kampala. This is the major selling center for grasshoppers coming in from the countryside. On a good day, half a sack can go for as much as $100. The traders say that is good for business.
Many people actually leave their jobs when the season comes and they trade in grasshoppers.
Others prefer to sell on a smaller scale. Matovo Wilbur hopes to make a quick buck with these packs. They contain just a few handfuls of grasshoppers each, but Matovo says some customers only want a small amount of the delicacy.
I can sell as many as 10 sacks in these small quantities, but it all depends on the season. Some seasons are good, others are bad.
Once out of the sacks, the grasshoppers are stripped of their legs and wings. Some are sold off, while others are put into the pan and sold as a snack.
I can't compare their taste to anything else. We get them in only 2 seasons a year. It is a long wait.
The grasshopper season is expected to last until January. That will keep the traders busy and customers happy. Leon Sanyange, CGTN, Katwe, Central Uganda.